Hello children, in this class I am going to explain you how to find the surface area, that is surface area of cylinder. So for that one, listen, cylinder. Yes, cylinder is nothing but something like this one you are going to draw here. This is a cylinder, okay. So one surprising thing I am going to show you how to find it. In the previous class also I explained you how to find the areas without by heading. Just by understanding the diagrams like cube and cuboid, you can remember and get the formulas. Now in the same way I will try to explain to people without by heading how can you find the areas of this cylinder also. Very simple. Suppose if I make a form of cylinder of this one. Very simple. When I close it, it becomes a cylinder. If I open it, it becomes a rectangle. That means here cylinder, when it is open, it becomes a rectangle, and if it is closed, it becomes a cylinder. So if to find its area, that means I have to find this curved surface area is very simple. That means to find its curved surface area, if I open, what I am getting? This one. That means if I find the area of this rectangular figure, then it is nothing but the curved surface area of cylinder. So easy. So how to find that one? So let me explain you in short. Remember this one. So as I told you, here when you fold this one, you are going to get a cylinder. So children, look at this one. When I close this one, you are going to get a cylinder like this one. And this is what, can you see here? This is a circle. Is it? Circle. And when it is circle, then I can call it as circumference. Outside edge it is circumference of the circle, and this is the height of the cylinder. That means the curved surface area of cylinder, okay, is equal to curve. What is curve? Okay, curved surface area of cylinder is equal to this one is nothing but like this one. This when you close, it becomes circumference of the circle, and suppose r is the radius of that, then this is circumference of circle is given by, yes, you know that very well, circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. Very simple. So what you are getting here? This is circumference, it is, then this is 2 pi r, and this is the height. Then very simple, this is equal to 2 pi r, h is the curved surface area of cylinder. Within your fingertips, you can remember this one so easily. Okay, this is what curved surface area of cylinder. Yes, circumference and the height. Not necessary of diameter this one. Okay, hope people understood this one. Now let me explain the total surface area. It is also very simple. Now I can do the same thing now. Curved surface is given by what? 2 pi r h. Then for finding total surface area, we need area of both top and the bottom. As you know, area of circle is given by pi r square. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. Okay. Then total surface area of cylinder, so easy see here. Cylinder is equal to first the curved surface area plus area of top and bottom faces. Okay, bottom faces. So curved surface area is given by 2 pi r h plus you have your circle faces. That means how many circles? They are same radius. Here this is given by 2 pi r square. Right? Area of circle is given by pi r square. You have two circles, then it is 2 pi r square. So let me continue the solution. You can finish this much. For solving problems, you can use this formula also, and we can make it easy this way also. So what I have here? Total surface area of cylinder. I am discussing here and continue that one. So what I have got? 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Very simple. Look at this one. 2 is common, pi is common, 1 r, and from this one r square we can take 1 r outside. What happens here? This is equal to 2 pi r. What remains here? H plus r. Yes, very simple. That means total surface area of cylinder is equal to what? 2 bar r into h plus r. In exam, if you use this one is also okay. So if you are perfect with this calculation, you can proceed this one. I say better to understand the solid figures, then it is easy for you people to understand the formulas, and at last you have to by heart and understand the figure, this formulas also. Thank you.